You've been lied to. A skunk isn't just a walking reverse air freshener. It's a furry jar of chemical warfare, armed and nearly blind. Seriously, a skunk sees the world like you squinting through a brutal hangover, just blurry spots 3 meters out. But here's the plot twist. How does this half-blind furball land a direct hit to a predator's eye from 6 meters away? It doesn't aim. It literally spins around its whole body like an anti-aircraft turret, and its booty is the guidance system. But the real genius? It only has 5 or 6 shots. Then, for 10 days, it's just a defenseless, fuzzy target, a sitting snack. So when you see that famous upside-down stance or those desperate foot stomps, that's not a threat. That's the skunk basically begging, "Bro, don't make me waste my last ammo." The scariest weapon in the wild belongs to the one who least wants to use it. Deep, right? Now think, who in your life just stinks up the place out of pure fear?